We come out to people's personal space, their entertainment area, and there's a strong emotional connection there because they have so many good memories over the years in these sort of spaces. So it's an area that really deserves to be looked after and not neglected. Hi, I'm Par from Fornya. We used to be Sydney Staining Services, and we've been running now for 6 years. And it's been an amazing process because we have taken this business from being a bit of a handyman services in the early days to now be Sydney's #1, the premium restoration when it comes to timber, when it comes to providing the customer with this amazing experience of their outdoor living. So we come out in one day and we sand everything back, we make it beautiful and stain it to look like new again or better. Fornya is the Swedish word for renew, and that's basically something we do every day. We come out and renew timber to make it look great again. Coming from Sweden, we actually love timber grain and we love the beauty of timber. So I started this business to really restore weathered, worn timber, to not have to put it in landfill and chuck it out, you know. It's an extremely rewarding space to be in because we get to go out to site and we see a massive transformation every day. So we basically take a Teak outdoor setting from looking moldy, dirty and grubby, and throughout the day when the customer comes back home, they see the massive transformation of a brand new or better looking setting stained to highlight the timber grain. It's so rewarding, you know, for us to come and see something weathered and run down and then come out and really transform it in one day, extreme transformation, and just see the beauty of the timber grain. We've been blessed to grow so much the last 6 months, so we're actually now opening up a branch in Brisbane. So we've been running Sydney for 6 years now, but Brisbane is super exciting for us to open up there and to really transform all these outdoor furniture pieces up in Brisbane too.